Hi guys, and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng creamy Sipo eggs. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, mag-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa natin itong 1 piece ng onion. Gigisa lang natin to hanggang sa lumambot. Ayan, malambot na yung ating onion. Pwede na natin i-add itong 3 to 4 cloves ng garlic at continue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa lumabas yung aroma ng ating garlic. Ready na yung ating onion and garlic. Pwede na natin ilagay itong 1 can ng luncheon meat cut into cubes. Pwede na rin natin ilagay itong 100 grams ng hipon. At continue lang natin ang paggisa hanggang sa medyo maluto yung ating luncheon meat. Ayan, ready na yung ating luncheon meat. Pwede na natin i-add itong 1 piece ng carrot cut into cubes. Add na rin natin itong 2 stalks ng celery, chop. Itong 1 cup ng button mushrooms, sliced. At itong 1 cup ng green peas. Continue lang natin ang paggisa for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes ng pagigisa, pwede na natin i-add itong 1.5 cups ng all-purpose cream. Pwede na rin natin i-season ng pepper to taste and salt to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Be careful kasi yung luncheon meat ay medyo maalat na, kaya alalay na lang sa salt. Mix it well. Tatakpan lang natin to at isi-simmer natin for 3 to 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, pwede na natin haluin. Makikita nyo kasi nagtubig yung mushroom. And pwede na natin i-add itong 2 dozens ng boiled quail eggs. And haluin lang natin ito. Add na rin natin itong half a cup ng sweet corn kernel. Then haluin ulit natin to. At takpan lang natin and we will simmer this for another 5 minutes. Hanggang sa maluto lang yung ating vegetables. Careful not to overcook the vegetables. And luto na yung ating vegetable. Lastly, i-add natin itong 1/4 cup ng cashew nuts. And this one is ready. Pwede nyo na itong i-switch off. Transfer na natin sa ating serving plate and ready for serving. And there you have it, our quick and easy Sipo eggs recipe, best served with rice. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button para lagi kayong updated tuwing mag-upload ako ng videos. Ako po si Aling Oday. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.